Hey now, Mike Shamon here, and today guys I'm just going to walk you through my top Chrome extension. I don't even know how many I have. I'm going to walk you through my top Chrome extensions. So I use these for web design, graphic design, and I also have a couple Chrome extensions that deal with emails, how I get emails from websites where you can't find them, and then also a Chrome extension that I use on how to track people and their emails and when they open them. So let's get into my other Chrome extensions right now. So let's start with number one. Awesome Screenshots is going to be my first Chrome extension that you're going to want to have on your screen or on your browser. All right, it's going to be able to take a screenshot of anything, use your camera at the same time. You can download the screenshots as pings and then save them. You can edit them and write on them. I use this almost every day, taking screenshots and editing stuff and writing on the screen. So that is awesome Screenshot. All right, the next one is ColorZilla. This is how you select colors from different websites. So if you wanted to grab this color, this green right here, you just take the ColorZilla. So you're just going to roll over and it's going to pick this color, use whatever color you want, roll over it, and there. I copy that green to my clipboard, and now I can use that on my other websites or whatever else I want to do. So this is one of my favorites. Again, I use this every day, and most of these plugins I use almost every single day. And I'm telling you this because I want to help you guys out. So the next one I use is Hunter. Now this is a different one. What this is going to do is that if you're at a website, maybe you want to get an email address. If you have this installed, there's a free version and there's pay. Okay, but if you have the free version installed, it'll list out the emails that are connected with that website. So if there's some sort of email finder, this is what it is. That's a pretty cool plugin that I use. And you're going to use this if you want to get clients. Maybe you're looking for an email to a business. You install the Hunter Chrome extension and then get it up and running. And then when you do it, it'll pop up right like this, and you do a search and it gives you all these email addresses associated with that website. What a great plugin. I love it. And this isn't one I use every single day, but I use it a lot if I'm looking for new clients. All right, so the next one is a free one as well. It's called Web Paint. Okay, now what this does is allows you to just paint on the screen. So let me see if I just go here back. It allows you to paint on the screen. So if I just wanted to, maybe I'm doing a presentation or something, or I'm recording a video and I want to make sure people know that this is what it is. It allows you to write on the screen, and there's a whole bunch of different options here that it allows you to do. Then you take a snapshot of it, and it'll take a snapshot of the screen right there, and then you can save it and do whatever you want for it there. But the Web Paint is a pretty cool tool that you can use basically just wherever you want. It's a little bit different than Screenshots Anywhere or from Awesome Screenshot. It's a really cool app that I use a lot to do funny stuff on websites. All right, the next tool I use is Keywords Everywhere. Now this is a paid tool, but it's fairly cheap. It costs like 1 cent per keyword basically. So, and you get 10,000 credits for like $9 or something. It's about 3 months worth of stuff. So you can go and search, but what this does is drop down and I'll show you the monthly search volume amounts, and I'll give you the cost per click. And then there's a lot of other information that you can find out by looking at a Google search with the keywords everywhere on the Google search. Workflowy is going to be the next one, and this is one of my favorite ones because I use this every day, make a lot of lists, and I do a lot of different things within Workflowy as into organization wise. As you can see some of these screenshots here, but it allows you just to make a list. It'll sync with all your across all your like Chrome apps. So on my computer desktop here, I have a Chrome app installed. I have Workflowy installed on my browser. I have Workflowy installed on my PC, and I also have Workflowy installed on my cell phone. So all those are synced all the way across everything. So my notes are all in one place. So this is really one of the most powerful things that I've come across here, this Workflowy app. And it is free for a certain amount, and then over a certain amount of notes, it's like $5 a month. So that's pretty cool. But you can find it on the app extension store there and everything. So that's Workflowy. All right, and then the next one I use, and this one I use for SEO for my YouTube videos mainly, but it's TubeBuddy. It's a free tool, and it's really helped me out on my SEO for my videos. It's an advanced keyword research tool, gives you this overall score, and then it gives you keyword suggestions, and then gives you the tags that you can copy and paste very easily into your new YouTube videos. So this is one of my favorite ones that I've been using probably for the last 2 months now, just so I didn't start doing YouTube videos, but it's really helped me out with my rankings, okay? And then the next one I use, it's called MixMax, and this is for Chrome, but it's also for Google Gmail, okay? It's also for Gmail. So what this does is this will track your emails. So you can see when somebody opens your emails and somebody clicks on your email. It'll show you every time somebody opens an email, the time and what time they open, and if you want to get the paid version, it gives you more than that. So for example, with the paid version is that you'll be able to see what time they opened it, who opened it, what email address, like there's a whole list of statistics out there and data out there that you don't even know about that MixMax tracks. So it's really great for business to business because you can be like, okay, so say you send a proposal over to a company, you can see if they open your email, how many times they open your email, you know, if they sent it to somebody else. You can see all these things because MixMax tracks it. It works with Gmail. I use it every day on mine, and it's right up here in my Chrome browser. These are my top Chrome extensions. I hope you guys got a lot of value out of this. Like I said, I use most of these extensions every single day. If you guys want to get more value, go ahead and check out my other tutorial videos and my other Help You Succeed Online videos, and I'll see you on the other side.